Hey guys, it's your girl Lanya Nicole here. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, make sure you are subscribed down below so that you never miss another video. As you can tell by the title of this video, I will be doing a mini haul for you guys. I recently picked up some products from my local Walmart. I stuck to getting leave-in conditioners and deep conditioners because those are the products that I use the most. And I'm going to jump right into the video. So the first three products that I'm going to be mentioning is from the Garnier Whole Blends line. It's the repairing shampoo, the mask, and the conditioner. And this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see, it's a little glare. And this is the repairing mask. And anything that has mask on it, I tend to grab for because the masks are like a thicker consistency and I like that for my hair. I am excited to try this out. It smells really good. So that was the first line that I bought from. The next line that I purchased are from the Camille Rose line, and I got both of their leave-in conditioners. I got the Honey Hydrate leave-in, and I also got the Curl Up Moisture Milk. And I have not tried these before. I am new to Camille Rose. I haven't tried any of the line. Yes, I am behind, but I've heard a lot about these two conditioners and I was eager to try them. So I'm going to do a first impressions. If you're interested in that, make sure you keep a lookout for that video. I will be having that up coming soon, so stay tuned for that. So the next thing I'm going to mention is from Shea Moisture. I love everything Shea Moisture. What I started off with when I first went natural, all Shea Moisture. Every now and then I switch up my products, but I'm an OG Shea Moisture girl. So I had to pick up some more of this Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Repair Protein Power Treatment. I love this deep conditioner. I wish you guys can see that, but it has a little glare, as you can tell. But this is my favorite deep conditioner. I don't use this very often because it has protein in it, so I try not to use it as often because we don't want to overdo with the protein. So I rotate this one with different deep conditioners like weekly, but I think I use this one mostly monthly because of the protein, so, or whenever I really feel like I need some protein. So this one I don't use all the time, but when I do, I freaking love it. It smells so bomb. Like, I don't know what it is, the Manuka honey or the yogurt, but whatever it is, it smells so good. It makes you want to eat this stuff. But this is my go-to deep conditioner and I freaking love this stuff. So if you have not tried this, this is the Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. Make sure you get you some of that. The next item I have is also from Shea Moisture. It's the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. This is an OG. This is one of my go-to deep conditioners from Shea Moisture as well. I just love how it smells and how it makes my hair feel afterward. This one has Jamaican Black Castor Oil, Fair Trade Shea Butter, and peppermint in it. So it does give that Jamaican Black Castor Oil smell, but it smells really good. I know some Jamaican Black Castor Oils don't smell as good, but this one smells really good and I like the way it feels. So make sure you get you some of this. And the consistency, I think this one is pretty thick as well. Yeah, this one is pretty thick, so I love really thick deep conditioner. So that's one of my other go-tos. Thing I'm going to mention is a real OG is the Miracle Curls by Aussie. It's the leave-in detangling milk. I also started off with this when I first went natural, and it's always been like one of my top favorite conditioners because it has a lot of slip far as detangling and all that kind of stuff. It's with coconut and jojoba oil, and it's sulfate free and dye free, so it's very natural hair friendly. So if you haven't grabbed this, make sure you grab you some of this as well. And I will be using this in a upcoming video as well because it has been a long time since I used anything Aussie. So I will be doing maybe a wash and go or something with this. So stay tuned for that video as well. And those are all of my products that I recently purchased. If you try any of these, let me know down in the comments below and how you like any of the products. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and I am on my way to 1,000 subscribers, so let's make sure you are subscribed because I will be hosting a giveaway once I hit 1K. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye guys.